Discussion.
Good afternoon, everyone. Everybody looks very hungry and ready for lunch. But I'm going to take a very little time and try to cover what our initiative is today for green, going green. I think it's a wonderful initiative. It's a very large topic. Green, as a panel, we'll try to address West. I really like what my friend started off with, corrosion and erosion. Well, in our very small way, JSW Severfield, we tackle with this problem at the start. How we do it is we actually give a 15-year paint guarantee with our systems in a way that we shot blast our steel to SA 2.5 standards when we fabricate, and then within 8 hours of it we paint the structures. If you see the air traffic control tower we've put up at Mumbai airport has been built in the same way. Coming back to the topic of green sustainability, there are new technologies coming out in the world today which automatically promote green construction. Since the topic is green construction more likely for part of the green initiative, there are a lot of developers today in India, and hats off to them, K. Raheja being one of them, and Naman being the other, and so Hiranandani is being the other. They have really pushed. I mean, they are my clients, so I know they are really pushing for green construction. Steel frame buildings, what we make them in a factory. We make them off the site. That itself is a green process. We put them in a controlled environment. A. B, because steel frame buildings are so light, we use 90% less labor. Yes, 90%, which means for a building which if you need 100 people, I need 10 people. I put up a 17-story building in Bangalore with 9 people in 14 weeks for Prestige. So now I'm not saying we're taking away jobs from people, but we are making the process safer and quicker, right? If you need, because our buildings are light, we use less foundation, less earth, less sand. What does this mean? And how much less? 30 to 60% less in our foundation. What does this mean? Less transportation to site. Less transportation to site means less pollution. Less pollution, green. So I think the answer to green is technology, according to me. And we are a living, breathing example of this technology. There's a lot more I have in this paper which I listed down, but my esteemed panelist has restrictively told me 2 minutes, so I'm going to stop talking. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Anshul. And maybe related to technology.